again here. Her hips are off a little bit. And then the biggest thing is just the anterior head cage, so it's all tight in here for her. And again, she's 19, so she's young to have all this. Deep breath for me, Missy. All the way up. Good, beautiful. Nice. Oh. Wow, that was a lot. Army knows what they're doing. Deep breath.
Kind of.
All the way up. Beautiful. One more. There it is. You okay?
Yeah.
Same thing, other side. Right. One more, sorry. Hold it up. Okay. Deep breath. All the way up. Beautiful. Right there. There it is. Yeah. Go face up. Yes, it was. Was it real or are you making them up? Like, no, I don't make any of those noises. Alright, so headache. So you know what I'm going to say. Those ears are going to go red. Here we go. Relax for me. Oh, nice. You okay?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Yes. And there they go.